Best hose sprayers comparison. Hose and sprayer are essential tools for homeowners and professionals alike, offering a convenient way to apply fertilizers, pesticides, and other liquid solutions to lawns, gardens, and outdoor surfaces, with a wide variety of options available. List number: Chapin G390 Hose and Sprayer for Water-Soluble Materials. The Chapin G390 is a mid-range hose and sprayer designed for versatility and durability. Featuring a 32-ounce chemical-resistant tank, it can handle water-soluble pesticides, fertilizers, and lawn chemicals with ease. The sprayer integrates a fingertip on-off control for convenient operation and includes a built-in anti-siphon valve to prevent chemical backflow. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with standard garden hoses, and the removable fan nozzle allows for precise spray patterns. Manufactured in the USA, the G390 is backed by Chapin's 1-year limited warranty, adding confidence to your purchase. In testing, the G390 performed well for lawn applications, offering consistent spray coverage and reliable chemical mixing. The anti-siphon valve is a standout feature, ensuring safety when working with harmful chemicals. However, the sprayer's 20-gallon capacity per tank may limit its use for larger applications. The finger control is intuitive, but could benefit from a more ergonomic design for extended use. Overall, this model is ideal for homeowners seeking a dependable sprayer for routine lawn care and pest control. List number: Chapin G364D, made in the USA, 32-ounce professional lawn. The Chapin G364D is the premium option in this lineup, designed for professional-grade applications. Its 32-ounce tank can spray up to an impressive 320 gallons per fill, making it suitable for large-scale projects. The 16-setting metering dial allows precise control over chemical mixing ratios, eliminating the need for pre-mixing. A comfort grip handle minimizes hand fatigue during prolonged use, while the anti-siphon valve and durable construction ensure reliability and safety. Manufactured in the USA, this sprayer is backed by Chapin's 1-year warranty. During testing, the G364D stood out for its versatility and ease of use. The metering dial is a game-changer, enabling users to adjust spray concentration on the fly, which is particularly useful for varying applications like fertilizing and pest control. The higher price point reflects its robust build and advanced features, but casual users may find it unnecessary for smaller tasks. Overall, the G364D is best suited for professionals or homeowners with extensive lawn care needs. List number: Chapin International G6015 Wet-Dry Hose and Sprayer. The Chapin G6015 is the budget-friendly choice, offering basic functionality at an affordable price. Its 32-ounce tank can handle both liquid concentrates and water-soluble solutions, with an adjustable 4-position nozzle for varied spray patterns. The thumb control provides simple operation, and the built-in filter basket ensures even granular dilution. Despite its lower cost, the G6015 retains essential features like a backflow preventer for safe chemical use. While the G6015 is adequate for light-duty tasks, it lacks the advanced features and build quality of higher-end models. The thumb control is convenient, but feels less durable during extended use. The adjustable nozzle provides decent versatility, but spray consistency can falter with thicker solutions. This sprayer is ideal for occasional users or those on a tight budget who need a functional tool for basic lawn care tasks. List 4. RE Chapin MFG Works G499 Adjustable Rate Dial Hose. The Chapin G499 is a versatile sprayer with an adjustable rate dial that eliminates the need for pre-mixing chemicals. Its 32-ounce tank is chemical resistant and designed for ease of use with no assembly required. The sprayer's compact design and lightweight construction make it a convenient choice for homeowners who need a reliable tool for small to medium-sized projects. In practice, the G499 delivers consistent spray performance and minimizes chemical waste, thanks to its adjustable rate dial. However, the lack of a comfort grip handle may lead to hand fatigue during extended use. The sprayer's compact size is a plus for storage and portability, but it may not be suitable for larger-scale applications. This model is a great choice for users seeking simplicity and efficiency without sacrificing performance. List number: multi-use lawn hose and sprayer, 32 ounce, pack of 2. The Nature's Wisdom multi-use sprayer comes as a pack of 2 refillable bottles, offering excellent value for versatile applications. With a 30-to-1 spray ratio, it provides wide and uniform dispersion, making it suitable for fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, and even car washing. The clear, see-through bottles allow users to monitor liquid levels easily, and the reusable design promotes sustainability. During testing, the Nature's Wisdom sprayers performed admirably for general-purpose tasks. The 30-to-1 ratio ensures efficient chemical use, but the lack of advanced features like anti-siphon valves or metering dials may limit its appeal for specialized applications. The reusable bottles are a boon for eco-conscious users, but the plastic construction feels less durable compared to higher-end models. This sprayer is ideal for users seeking a multi-purpose solution at a reasonable price.